To enable Google Assistant on Oppo Find X9 Pro, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and first let's visit apps. We can go to the default apps, and then inside we need to select Digital Assistant app and click on default Digital Assistant app and make sure that the Google right here is actually selected. Then we can go back. Scroll all the way down of the settings page, click on Google, all services, and scroll down until we find Search Assistant and Voice. After that, you can pick whichever Google Assistant you want to use, Gemini or standalone Google Assistant. If you want to use Google Assistant, go down to the Digital Assistant from Google and make sure that Google Assistant is selected. If you want to use Gemini, click on Gemini, and that way you should see this introduction, welcome to Gemini, and you can click on Use Gemini to enable it. If you see Gemini settings, that means this one is already active. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.